Good afternoon. I want to say something. What going to sing. I have to like interpret like in English because it's a Tagalog song, so you can understand what I'm trying to say here. So it's the title of the song Ako'y Isang Pinoy, which meaning I am Pinoy, meaning I am a Filipino. I am Filipino with all my heart. And I was born in our country, which is the Philippines. I'm not used to speaking English because we're using our own dialect, which is Tagalog. We have to use our own dialect, which is Tagalog, which is why I was born. And we were always hoping our freedom and our national hero, like which is Dr. Jose Rizal. He said and advised to our Filipino people, you have to love your own dialect and in a Tagalog way. That's the meaning of the song which I'm going to sing. Sa puso't diwa, Pinoy isinilang sa ating bansa. Ako'y hindi sanay sa wikang mga banyaga. Ako'y Pinoy na mayroong sariling wika. Wikang pambansa ang gamit kong salita. Bayan kong sinilangan, hangad ko'y lagi ang kalayaan. Sikat Jose Rizal nooy nagwika, siya ay nagpangarap sa ating bansa. Ang hindi raw magmahal sa sariling wika ay higit pang amoy sa mabahong isda. Wikang pambansa ang gamit kong salita. Bayan kong sinilangan, hangad ko'y lagi ang kalayaan. Ako'y isang Pinoy sa puso't diwa, Pinoy na isinilang sa ating bansa. Ako'y hindi sanay sa wikang mga banyaga. Ako'y Pinoy na mayroong sariling wika. Thank you.